Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can copy a link of Google Drive file or folder to share it to our friends. Let's get started. First of all, open your Google Drive app on your phone, then choose the file or folder you want to copy. The link. Then make sure that the folder or file can be viewed by another user. So we can click on this three dots button. Then we can update the access by clicking on the manage access option right here. And as you can see that this folder is still restricted, so the other users cannot open this folder. So we're going to change the access. Just tap on it and tap on this button, then choose anyone with the link so anyone can open your Google Drive link. Alright, after we update the general access, we can go back to the previous menu and we can tap on this three dots button again. Then we can scroll down the screen until we find copy link and just tap on copy link. And link has been copied to the clipboard, and we can share it. We can share the link to our friends so they can access our Google Drive file or folder. Alright guys, and that's how we can copy a link of Google Drive file or folder. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.